In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the size of a poster here on Canva. Now, there's two different ways that we can do this. There's a paid way and a free way. Now, with the paid way, we're going to use their resize feature, which is really simple. But please be aware, you do need a Canva Pro account. But once you have your poster, just like this, that you want to resize, we can simply come up to resize just here. In fact, first, if we look at the file, this is 42 centimeters by 59.4. Now, let's say we want to change this to an 8.5 times 11. We can simply come to resize. Then we're going to come to custom size just here. We're going to change centimeters to inches, and then we can put 8.5 times 11, just like that. Now, what we can do is copy and resize this, so it's going to make another design with your new dimensions, meaning you're going to still keep the original, or we can just resize this design just here. Now, for this example, we'll just click on copy and resize. It's going to take a few seconds, and then we can open this in a brand new tab, and this is now been resized. Now, some things might look a little bit off, so what you might want to do is just highlight everything and then just drag to make fit on the canvas, just like that. But nonetheless, that's the paid way to do it. Now, there is also a free way, but we're going to have to copy and paste. So if we come over to the home page just here, we're going to start a brand new design with the dimensions that we want to use. So we're going to change this to inches and put 8.5 times 11, and we're going to create new design. Now, from here, what we want to do is simply come over to our page just here, and what we want to do, depending on your layout, you might want to change it. So I don't quite like this layout where we add pages just here. I like to see all my pages at the bottom. So what we're going to do is click just here where it says thumbnail view. Now, if we click on there, we now have different layouts, and what we can do is just simply copy and paste. So we're going to click onto the page, so it's got this purple outline. Then we can simply click Command and C to copy, and then we can come over to our new dimensions and simply put Command and V to paste, and now we have our design copied into our new dimensions. And again, from here, what we're obviously going to want to do is just highlight everything to make sure everything fits. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change the size of a poster here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.